Hi guys, today is Thursday, April 23rd, and I want to tell you about your lessons for today. So today you're going to watch another phonics video, and then you can choose Headsprout or Spelling City. Again, here is the website to get into Spelling City. We're on Unit 29. In reading today, I want you to go back to the Level Up area of Raz Kids that I showed you on Tuesday. I want you to go there and read at least 2 books and take the quizzes on those 2 books. After that, if you still have time in your 15 to 20 minutes, you can read another Raz Kid book, or you can choose a book from Epic, or you can read a book at home that you're reading, whatever you choose. Writing today, I want you to get that rock back out that you found yesterday, and also the list of words that you used to describe your rock. Today you are going to write about your rock. You're going to start with an introduction, write some facts about your rock, and then finish with a closing. I would love for your parents to take a picture of this writing along with the rock and send it to me so I can look at it and give you some feedback. So here is my rock. I found this rock, and I want to tell you a little bit about it. I started with my introduction. I found an interesting rock in my backyard. So I let my reader know what I will be writing about, my rock. Then I have some facts about my rock. My rock is the color dark red. It feels smooth and bumpy on the edges. My rock is about the size of a golf ball. It is not shiny. All of those sentences are describing how my rock looks, how my rock feels, the size and shape of my rock. Those are all good ways to describe your rock. Notice I have capitals where I need them and correct punctuation. I'm going to finish my writing with a closing sentence. It is a perfect rock for my collection. So don't forget that this paper, as well as this checklist, are also on the bottom of your lesson plans for the day if you need to go back and refer to those. I hope you guys have a wonderful day learning. I can't wait to read your rock writing pieces when your parents send them to me. As always, if you have any questions, please reach out to me. I'll be happy to answer them for you. Have a great day learning.